a special mindset. Why Youth Connect?
We share the ecoso country. There is a big disconnect between academia and business. And so there's a big disconnect between their, let me say, scaffold, ni student, ni ordinary people on the street.
Okay.
We share the ecoso so. Mbema bo amu ba no so. We say, amu adwin enkoso ye. Bebre are confused. Bebre are lose confidence. Wo country. Bebre so amu ye lazy kakra. Bebre so amu ye very indisciplined. Until me decide say I'll get close to the youth. So that the littler me wonu na me di abom ana anye sika sempe because so we see we hwe sika sempe a country e be say
Okay.
but their country need the mindset the be retuning your mindset na ya guide your na omo they become greater than us.
Okay.
So the Amir say, me more move me shoulder. Say every youth will Ghana. Say they are over the $1 million mark annual revenue. So I know
$1 million
dollar mark.
Starting
revenue.
with 25,000.
25,000 and the interesting part is the mentoring part. It's not the money.
Identity brain mo.
Exactly, entity brain mo. We say among for bebre wo Ghana, youth, business, but aye basa. Oshwa obi wo ho a ne capital na wafa no dia kotoka. O business bebu. Business begu. And no na McDAN aye nani say or draw closer to the youth. Now on board.
Okay.
Yeah, many a times when Jessica, but Sana about to me are tuning your mind. Now say a quan way necessary and fast way, and yes, a quan way.
O kasano o can indiscipline.
Yeah.
Ade ba kwa e di enya wo memwa. Obia can say it looks as if the entire nation cry no you are becoming indisciplined.
Yeah.
How do you instill discipline in the people that when you mukasa?
Well, to me, that would be number one. If Ghana, that to me, a disciplined country. Discipline, I said, and said, Yamabebre. Obi a farming coin so, on say, me for discipline, diagro. Ushua, baby, I say. Ko kwanusu, ko schools, ko baby, indiscipline everywhere. So, me say, when you're disciplined, I want to mean farmer coins. Until they are McDAN here, without discipline, even cry would person when you're business, you to mean you're successful. Now you can discipline no. The baby over to me here. Or you are seeing when you're disciplined over successful.
In this discipline aspect, I him fan a share because a vast.
Yeah.
Until a mebuno no him fan a share. How our mo edit read yeah juma their time, their money spent any other him fan a share office a bit me ama mebuno no higher discipline na the entrepreneurship drive no at me about muye.
You see, there's something called attitude. There's something called your friend attitude. Attitude, no, your friend was
Subai.
And
you're any Subai.
Exactly. Ubeye sikania, usubai na betre. Your attitude will show. Ube to me a school, I'm professor degree. Ube to me a $10 billion ene. Onya discipline,
so it doesn't matter whether you were born with a silver spoon or you were born in a dungeon.
It doesn't matter.
It is about discipline.
It's about discipline. So if ube to me akra the right attitude. Time I go school, but say some of the best students or class, some who have sharp brain, they be no more the first. You know, yeah, US school, about say, my oh, say, now who say, you know, can discipline. See, also young, Bermani, Babu Omubano, one person, yes, Kauchna. Sika penu a process. To be an entrepreneur, it's a process. It's a journey. It's a journey, as I say, unto boasi. Na wunsia humility. Na wunsia, there's something called integrity. Prepare. Inina kanjene hu. Anti McDAN, I know me wakumasi ene. Where na mi pese. Min fa babo no min form na yan kasa
na wa himfa na wo sua o discipline
me incline na
discipline wo
me menye dada ba me ya jaba
McDAN
McDAN ya jaba
ba
who say
see McDAN Obi who on him say McDAN was born with a silver spoon. Maybe as he can be in a war no na. Maybe I could draw right porter. Oh yeah, that's McDAN aeroplane. See one no private jet. McDAN private lounge OBA. McDAN group of companies. So quite down no man. Just say salts name industry. Just say I want
McDAN shipping. Mature book could be. It's a path of the eagle. Maybe I did you be brave now. Book sa book now. Me mami training me year pa. No matter how hard it is, you have to survive.
Okay.
I came from 13 years. I was already on the street. 13 years. I was selling on the street. I was once somebody's houseboy. I was a driver's mate. Me Libra. Then I concrete. I do not be a new ho. I mean, me be war that. I just say a chronicle. I mean, me be that.
Be our fam.
Be my fam.
Just to survive.
Just to survive. And say I can't discipline. Metiasia pa my far process no. Say me I have been there to start logistics and shipping business as a messenger to this moment to become the biggest in Africa or partly of the world. Without discipline in Yamia, there's nothing you can do.
Many McDAN, chairman, McDAN Group, and Edwin Komo. And there came university, so we babunu now tia a bonomi and sa and shut them and snaffy. Se traffic crown a bit delay woni adea simuntem na eko neko tiebi. Se wo pesa wo tie obi ni senior okan no. He's had it all. He's been there. How do you marry the two? From where you were and now? Do you still have the discipline? And now go to me shabra basi. Or do baby say in about a year or 2 or 3 I better than can say it's no more. Until all two mabunu for say your discipline. If they are able to get to that height, how do they maintain or sustain it?
You see, for me, say nyame boa now you discipline do bibia. Say nyame boa wo nya ska. As I say ska na wanya mo and you humble. And say you proud because
say bre wa say ma wonye dwe. Exactly.
Say mbra wa sipa and she said me too many show me cheer. And mommy am more humble. Because anything I me ye dear me who need strength. Me time is very, very important. For me time cry and does mommy.
And so cry 24 hours now.
And so me cry. Now my time say me the youth no. I'll get together with the youth to support the youth to change their mental mindset. Ghana, I believe in Ghana. Ghana yeah Ghana. So if people like us, we don't believe in Ghana, then what next? Because look, there are no jobs. We have to create the jobs. There are ordinary youth who difficulties, but they don't find solution. Ghana is not going to be better. Obi Kasha say, Ochinabe better than Obwa. The whole world is going to be difficult every day until the way the country and the youth see the future. Don't think somebody will bring you food in a place on
a silver platter.
Or you useless. Or dada. And as I say, you know, so when your car say Wumbobi. Last year alone, I created about 3,000 jobs. I know I am happy. And
3,000 jobs.
3,000 jobs last year alone, within 1 year. You step on the street of Kumasi, see how many youth amunam na ejuma ni ho.
Ejuma na so munya bi ombe.
Yes, but ejuma ho pa. Ejuma ho.
Ejuma na wo hin.
As I say, youth no, omumbi emini, omoni. Sesia, I can tell you, sir, if you step out there to check construction jobs, there was Kumasi and yes small. But Obia per se on your university degree. Obia per se on train office, no your crutch. Sesia Ukoa, Omo say, Omo ya POP, talents, paint, Omina Togolis.
Almost a Honson as he can walk.
And also a Honson as he can walk.
So, Ghana and Impe. If he say, it's a menial job.
Yes.
If he say, Fatano.
But Sika Hopper. Because we sure we got Trambanga, I bet you wine. Now we are Tyler. How much do they charge per square?
Yeah, and I see you to no tie no.
A broom. A broom pa.
Suit in the tie no.
A broom.
So na chicks now are wanting to why I almost fe.
Say that dom. That dom.
Eti babunu o nyinia. O who we are say be a koso kama. Say na won see money brand sifa. Because eba university guy obewie school aba. Obua or girlfriend or iPhone 12, 13. Okuta 43, okuta we. Meanwhile, say oni adwuma. How would you advise such a person? The kind of lifestyle only at the moment, no. It's about 500 million. Yet, osun say adwuma ni ho.
And that is a big problem. I know that a big problem. And until now, most Ghanaian business are collapsing. Because we employ a manager. No, this lifestyle, how can he sustain it? No, comfort. Because he has to meet it. So there be a person who under invoice and all that. That is what McDAN stands for. To tell them that, look, be focused. Get your focus right, and you will make it. If you are not patient today to build your tomorrow, how can you become a millionaire? You have to be patient today and take one day at a time. There are a lot of young men, I'm working here, and then I'll see IT, or China, or see, or a self-start contractor. Or China or see our banking. Ochina or see or a transporter. About say within 15 to 20 years, he has run in a circle.
Encore baby.
Encore baby. Yeah. But such a young man, so focus to say, I have to serve and grow my steps. Within 10, 15 years, he'll be a giant, but impatient.
And service.
And service. And we don't want to serve. You can never be a king or a good king if you don't want to be a servant. You cannot reach the top if you will never start from the bottom. You can never be a millionaire if you don't learn the steps of controlling your own self.
Self-control.
Self-control. That is a discipline that I always talk about. So this is what the McDAN Connect and the McDAN Entrepreneurs stand for.
Okay.
We are giving 100,000 to a winner, but it's not the money.
The interest is not the money.
No. It is the person behind the business.
Okay.
You can present a very wonderful business plan. Wonderful. But so we are manager, we are idiot. So we have $1 million. So no matter how high you want to go, it's the personality behind the business.
The attitude towards work.
Attitude towards work. Exactly.
Self-control, everything in one.
Exactly.
Makes you the person that can take that business
up. There's a lot going on in Ghana. There's a lot of business in Ghana, but the Ghanaian youth must be directed. We have the most smartest youth in this country. We had almost 16,000, 17,000 applicants. And when I'm reading their business plan, brilliant business plan, but you notice that they don't have what it takes to move to the next stage, to practicalize what they have put on paper. You can see that they lack so many things. That is what the McDAN Connect and the McDAN Challenge stand for, to mentor the youth.
Self-discipline. Why will show hustle? Now will share sene. Asem back all kind of say won to me enye obrimpon and now on your kasiye. So when sua say obesomo a. And also so na ne mabuni akoye problem. We have become a microwave generation where we believe in quick fix. A young man, what about those who have this mentality? Say, officer, when two kwan kwa bruchra, enyeje. Until okasade be a connection, kwan obefa so.
Yes.
Osika is ready to give out about 500 million. At the man obi agent be so on na kwa America.
And no naya problem no. So we 500 million.
50,000 Ghana.
50,000 Ghana city. You can be a millionaire in Ghana. You can start small, depending on what you want, what you want to do. You have $5,000, $10,000 in Ghana. You can make ends meet. You have to be patient. Sesi ahina eto a bro bag.
Let us I check. I think it's 400 and something now.
50,000 better. How many bags?
When you not drink a bro home. That a bro there. I mean, young man, maybe investing. You got a bro.
I know na a problem no. You see, upa say unko a bro chair. Upa to me to a bro. Wako visitor ba. And there would be 50,000 come my agent. Now wako a bro chair. Wako cleaning toilet. And then my mim bisa baby. One will be a. Okwa bro chair ba. No, you're brimpon wa Ghana da. Mami will be back. Mami, your name, just one.
Abajibuame, now how many?
Wakwa brochipa according 10 years, 20 years, 30 years.
Oba Ghana is so big.
Oh, yeah, big. When I catch up.
A lot of them cry no. The funny thing is, Okwa brochi no Oba Hanobe. Or the capital be started be
But to me, sit down. But to me, a talker. 2 weeks once no more join come back.
Omba to me. I hear shit.
I hear shit because they don't have a base. I hear shit because they have no plan.
Wow.
Mami onipa baku. So kwa brochi. Or discover pass
or your big
or your brimpon.
Mostly acquire was in the dime at on the car. Yeah, count more. I established I am 4 months count.
So as I say, young tune the
you say approach is not the panacea. It's not the reason, the breakthrough.
Not at all.
Traha. A
Jumawa. My own discipline.
And the university, well, maybe I'll be home. We a teaser. There's a lot is going to pour out. Now, and so be on my. You say quarter class over bound to my TNT. Maybe I mean, I'm a Tiana, me Jama Num say, and Gagas or my Jawasem. He's made it, and he did it here. When he's speaking, he knows what he's talking about. Or can discipline once a man when him the all come. Let's talk about discipline and money. Sansa, there's a young man who takes about, probably he works at the bank or he works at the place. Osumi or GB about 2,000, 3,000. But there be also niska. Dear Sam now be catch there. Obi or a day, to me make his sales. I want a Juma or him almost about 500 Ghana. Pokobuisa and say, oh man, just 2,000 cry or say Oniska. Yet he makes almost 500 to 600 a day. Taxi driver or your sales. After all the sales, no one to make it put about 60 Ghana or 50 Ghana on him. And so Busana say, on Choska or say Oniska, 3 million because now we didn't make a fun away. Discipline and money. Because when you say, who shall see and who when do you see Casa? And then you can afford anything you want, but you sacrificed some time ago.
Yeah.
How do you tell the youth? How do you talk to the youth on money and discipline?
Okay. The question there, a very important question. That is the basis of everything. Most of the youth, they don't have a goal. In every life, they have a goal or.
And this one, I didn't want to abotai.
Exactly. You're near abotai. Because you're near abotai, we live by the day. Also, the people around you, the friendship, the relationship,
the kind of people
you keep. Who needs 2,000? Who your USA girlfriend? No. Keep your money and grow.
The girls will come.
The girls will come.
And only Greek, you know.
You have who started with business, business and started saying for money and now I got Mercedes Benz. Now for business car now we use a Mercedes Benz. The year Juma travel 2,000. One will say what done for? I got Range Rover. Now I got the loan. I got a Range Rover.
To work.
Ubeu. These are the problems.
We live beyond our means.
Exactly. See, iPhone here.
I'm not an
iPhone here almost 4,000, 5,000.
No, I know.
Can't casino. A 15.
Can't 15. 5,000, 6,000.
Yeah, now salary 1,000. Now cry iPhone.
Now at Susu iPhone.
At iPhone. Now who were data? They be now who were Instagram so.
And also the better
exactly. Exactly. So there are little petty things that you have to take baby steps. We have to come to the grassroots. Me free ho. Until me to mwasipa. Me kind those days, sir. Me talk beans
Gobe.
Yes, beans.
I have a friend Gobe.
Gobe.
Gabins.
Yeah.
See our boys no more be brutal.
A good time.
And no almost say the boy thing.
A good.
I could be what doom honor or corner lie or honor.
Oh, Sissy.
When you have time trying to comedy.
No, nowadays cry. I'm only fine.
Can you know sir?
Can you know what top beans out the Gary to me can beans no? See, instead say Uber G Zomino. Now I'm conscious on my pepper.
So ba. What man monsieur
so more.
Now funa
exactly. Now I call the whole day. Say see akra beans on ya the Gary ku na ye twan.
Nah,
yeah. Those days who the Gary to my yeah 1
unity.
Yeah, who to me kind. You see?
And now we.
Oh.
Now they are firm. And their bread, they are VB.
Oh. Chief.
So it's easy. Share. It's easy. You see, you can't say how. Now, who are Honoma? Yes, will be any more Brimpon chassis. Let's say, or Brimpon, can you offer more? Sometimes, a boy cry will now for 4 Unyanka be Kobe.
Oh, Chief. Those days, we were sure. I would did that dear boss. And
you're talking. You Robert, the end, you walk that year. That year, and yet that year, a lead. To an old peer to our tickle. Who banner a teal. People don't know. People don't know. When sometimes they see you and they think you have arrived. They think, say, oh, what drew? They don't know.
Yes.
I can connect with you. It's not been easy.
Yes.
For some of us, but Nyame adom, you come kakra. But more level no dey was through. Mo dey madu so.
Still ye ko.
Maybe I would do sako.
Oh, still ye ko. Anti na ye twi.
Samamba.
Anti na ye twi.
Omo
form no.
Why is it that it's difficult for your peers to also connect with the youth like this? Because it's mind-blowing. Sir, I want to give back to society because it is this same society that built me up.
Exactly.
There are a lot of people like you who have it. And it's about mansions, it's about parties, let people know that I have it. They don't help the youth. What could be the reason? Because you can understand them from that level. I cannot.
Oh, me too. You see, I can understand them. But Ghana, you see, Ghana, your attitude be, ma.
Giving
is not part of us. You know, to spread down, we always complain. If you don't come from where I'm coming from, you'll never understand the guy on the street. Look, now those days, who was street, who nice car, you give the car even space. We are beggar. Now some beggars no, I'm knock with windscreen, with glass no.
Charlie,
they ask with passion. Ghana is sir, and we have to get back, take one step back, and look down. We are going too fast, and the population is growing. You see, the same boys and the same girls we don't care for. It can be a big problem in Ghana.
We are sitting on a time bomb.
It's a time bomb. So in my small way, I'm bringing a lot of them from the street. I can tell you, last year I spent a lot of money just to help.
And you are seeing it bear fruit.
Exactly. It's bearing fruit. I'm seeing the results. So if I'm able to build one entrepreneur to employ 5 people, I'm feeding 500 people.
At a go.
If every year I can build 10, 20 entrepreneurs, just see the ripple effect. Ghana, but opportunities no. See, Ghana, tell me what we own.
Yeah.
We don't own anything.
The only thing we owe is our outfits we wear.
We don't own anything. But
Nothing.
this is, I believe in Ghana, that maybe the youth that I'm helping, they will have different mindset. Ombenya adwin foforo.
There will be a new paradigm.
Will be a new paradigm shift. I'm starting on my own. Somebody to take from someone, another person take from somewhere.
So
Without
what would you tell your colleagues, your peers, to come along?
Yes.
Because it's McDAN. You can't do it all.
Exactly.
Can't they partner? And I be my. Have you reached out to them? And
I'm still reaching. Oh, you see, what I am doing, I'm not doing out of pride. I'm doing out of humility.
Okay.
It's God, country, and man.
Okay.
God had blessed you, Nyamia Shao, Kakra. Because me and MTI, I haven't reached half of my real potential. So if I have not reached half of my potential, you should. Then that tells you what is in Ghana.
You've not reached half.
Half, no.
What you envisage to be in the future?
No, not even half.
Half.
Not even half.
To maybe 1/3 they would do.
Yeah, my travel.
When you half.
Me do half. So
I'm here to start.
So that tells you what is in Ghana. There's too much money here. So it's about time the youth open their eyes to their energy. It's hard work. We all need to work.
Are Ghanaian youth lazy? People say that. Say, Ghana mebunum page ma we lazy. There are a lot of entrepreneurs, business industries who say, oh, me be a juma, me fa Ghana for na, omo egu juma no krama me, chrono sem ne, pilfering here and there, you know, Ghanaian youth and juma, omo lazy. Do you see that?
I see that a lot. I see that a lot, but the Ghanaian youth are some of the smartest. But what I feel where I'm sitting, I feel they need point of direction.
So leader to understand that now.
Leadership had failed us.
Leadership has
failed. And the discipline aspect, there must be punishment for indiscipline. People do the wrong thing and
they go scot-free.
They go scot-free. And it's growing in this country. If we begin to punish wrongdoing, this country will change. I always say, we talk about the wrong thing. Most journalists are. You talk about the wrong thing so much that the wrong become right. Human mind, so every time, wrong. And the wrong is not punished. The wrong become right.
I agree with you. Goebbels said 1,000 lies told becomes a truth in the minds of people.
Exactly.
Until they all can yes, we can't home.
Yeah.
But the leadership, as you said,
yes.
They don't punish. Now leadership so the youth see, and now who call social media, the youth are attacking leadership because things they told them they would do for them, they are not doing.
Exactly.
It's a I need a Sony GD or more mono echo form.
See, there is nothing wrong. Say you are a leader, you have promised to do something that you can't do it, you can't be honest about it. There's supposed to be a sense of honesty. So me a leader, me say, mbesi dama, no China, me control dollar, me control building material. No China, me to me building material. I say me bank show say. Facha me, mami another time. But see they mean to me, Those are the things. We need to be honest to the society. We need to be honest to this country. We need to be honest about everything that we do. There's nothing wrong with it. But to me for me. But in your heart, you know
that I'm telling the truth.
I'm telling you the truth.
I've been honest with you.
I've been honest.
I've been truthful.
I've been truthful. So we need to be honest to our own selves and to others.
All right. We'll draw the curtain here. I know I will take some time to rest, and then 3 p.m. Let's meet at KNUST. What will be your final word to the youth?
My final word to the youth in Kumasi is they shouldn't give up. They just shouldn't give up. Ghana is a good place. Just keep fighting. Just keep soldiering on. And your time will come. But be honest. Integrity is everything. So keep soldiering on.
Keep soldiering on. I was here for you to see sports Jumedi and Betwaso. Now, I'm here to my Bonomi and Sapepe, okay, University. Send your work say on fun the time in the agrono. Bonomi and San so now no Honomont in Yaw now. About 3 p.m. I dem higher Maunya baby. Be the first to know at exactly 3 p.m. at McDAN Youth Connect at KNUST. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed. Stay tuned. We'll be back with sports. Thanks so much.
No.